Good morning, students. Let's start 4E, terminating decimal. The word terminate means finish. Remainder should be 0. That is the meaning of terminate. Fine. Like if you divide 25 by 2, you will get exact remainder 0. Repeating or recurring when the number cannot be terminate and the decimal part is same. Fine. This 3333 can be written as 3.3 bar. Bar means this particular number is repeating. Suppose you have 0.25 bar. It means 252525 is repeating. Fine. Mixed recurring means remainder definitely here is also not 0. But some part of decimal is not repeating and the remaining is repeating. Suppose you have 3.524 bar. It means 52 is not repeating but 4 is repeating and so on. Fine. This is called mix. This is simple division and you have to find the decimal part is repeating and you can represent your decimal number in the form of bar. These are the main questions. Fine. Convert into Bulgar fraction. Now what we have to do? After decimal we have only one number. If we have one number, we multiply with 10. If we have two number, we will multiply with 100. If we have three number, we will multiply with 1000. But always multiply both side. Fine. Suppose you have 3.56 into 10. What will be the answer? 35.6. After multiplying with 10, one decimal is moved to further number. Same here, when this is 8 so on. So multiply with 10, one number is going to be shift here. So it will become 8.8. Fine. Here will be only 8 bar because this cannot be end. So our motto is to make our right hand side decimal part is same. Fine. So when we subtract, this decimal part should be 0. We have to make our situation like this only. Fine. So 10x minus, always subtract from 2 because 2 is greater than 1. Otherwise your answer will be firstly in the negative form. So 2 minus 1, you get 10 minus 1. Left is going to be subtract from the left and the right is going to be subtract from the right. So 10 minus x, 1x or x, both are same thing. Here you can write 1 also, or without 1 it is like a 1 only. So 10 minus 1, 9, and 8.8 bar minus 0.8 bar. This becomes 0, so you get 8 and this become a fraction. Now here I told you if you have two number, then you have to multiply with 100. So when you multiply with 100, it's become 34.34 bar. Now we have to subtract these two because decimal part is same. So when you subtract 100 minus 1, 99. 34.34 bar minus 0.34 bar is 34. So you get value of x. Same way in your next question. Now this is a second type of question where you are having mixed fraction. Mixed Bulgar, here the mixed number because 1 is not repeating, 6 is repeating. So for this type of case, first of all we have to shift this number that is without bar. So here is only one number. So multiply 10 both side. Fine. Now we get 1.6 bar. Our motto is after decimal part should be same. If we cannot subtract these two part, fine. So to solve this problem, we have to multiply again 10 because after decimal we have only one number. So we have to again multiply with 10. So then it become 10 tens are 100 and 1.6 bar into 10 is 16.6 bar. Now we will not take this first situation, we will take this one because point after point we have 6 bar, here after point we have 6 bar. Now we can subtract. So our situation should be like this. So we can subtract without any problem and the after decimal there should be 0. So 100 minus 10 90 and 16.16 bar and 1.6. So 16 minus 1, 15 and 0.6.60. So we get x is equal to 15 by 90. Fine. Let's explain this now question, and then rest you will understand by yourself. We can see here is 1. So first of all we will shift 1. How to multiply 10? If you have 2 number, then you will multiply with 100 to shift that number. After this you have 4 3 bar, 2 number, so we will multiply with 100. If you have 3 4, again you will multiply with 100. So first situation 10x is equal to 1.43, and second situation 1000x is equal to 143.43 bar. After decimal, same number you can subtract, you will get 142. Here 1000 minus 90, 1000 minus 10, 990, x is same like that. Hope so you understand. Fine. Thank you.